Do you also expect some moderation in sales because of the rate hikes, the price hikes, etc.?
So we made a rough consensus in the industry regarding the next year's demand. Roughly, it was about 5 to 7% growth over the current year, figure of 38.9 lakh almost. This will go up to about 40.5 to 41 lakhs next year. That had been the consensus about 2 months back. We haven't really revised these projections, but of course, there are some factors which we have to be wary of, and we are closely monitoring these red flags, which include, of course, the overall economic growth itself, which we have taken about 6.5% growth, but there are some reports where economists are projecting a 6 to a 6.4% type of growth with a negative bias. So that's one red flag. The second red flag, obviously, is the interest rates, which have gone up for the auto loans. Between 180 basis points to 250 basis points. As you know, the repo rates have been increased by the RBI between from May to current year levels, current level of 6.5%. That was an increase of 250 basis points. So it's a lot is dependent in auto retails. 80% of the retails happen through auto loans. So that's the other red flag. And of course, the price hikes which have happened in response to the commodity prices increases, also the switch to BS6 phase 2 norms, which come into effect from today. So those combination of factors are something which we are closely monitoring just to see if we have to, if it has an adverse impact on the overall demand projection. And of course, the final thing is about the El Nino, which is a seasonal, which is a pattern of weather where the monsoons become irregular, in which case you could see an impact on the rural sentiments and, in fact, the agricultural incomes. That can also have an adverse impact on the overall demand.